Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make congri with canned beans. First, let's gather all our ingredients. You will need 2 cans of black beans, 2 cups of long-grain white rice, and your sofrito components. Make sure you have fresh garlic, a medium onion, and a green bell pepper. Don't forget your cooking oil, water, and essential seasonings like ground cumin and dried oregano. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's create the heart of our congri, the sofrito. Begin by finely dicing 1 medium onion, 1 green bell pepper, and 4 cloves of garlic. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large, sturdy pot over medium heat. Once the oil is shimmering, add your diced vegetables. Sauté them gently for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally, until they become wonderfully soft and aromatic. This step builds a rich flavor foundation for your dish. With our sofrito ready, it's time to combine the main ingredients. Drain and rinse 2 cans of black beans, then add them to the pot with the sofrito. Stir in 1 teaspoon of ground cumin and a half teaspoon of dried oregano for extra depth. Next, add 2 cups of long-grain white rice, stirring well to coat every grain. Finally, pour in 4 cups of water or vegetable broth and bring the entire mixture to a rolling boil. We are almost there. Once the mixture is boiling, reduce the heat to its lowest setting. Cover the pot tightly with a lid and let it simmer undisturbed for 20 minutes. After simmering, remove the pot from the heat but keep it covered. Allow it to rest for an additional 10 minutes. This step is crucial for perfect texture. Finally, gently fluff your congri with a fork and serve this flavorful, comforting dish. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.